Hello, good morning children. Today we are going to study science, living science. Children, take out chapter 3 and page number 21. 21 revision time. Okay. The animal world. These animals stay in or near our house. Write their names. I hope everyone see cats, cows, dogs. So these animals stay in near our homes. So you know name. So write C-A-T, cat, cow. Cow spelling you know. So write here cow. Dog, D-O-G dog. Write. Okay. Next, see the picture. There are many kinds of animals in the world. See, many kinds of animals. Some animals are big. Yes, elephant is very big. Big animal. Some animals are small. See, butterfly, small. Rat, small. Big elephant. So, zebra, bear, elephant, rhino, tiger, whale, butterfly. Big animal. And small animal, butterfly. Next page, we can see big animals like bears, zebras, lions, tigers, big animals. Okay. We can see big animals like bears, zebras, lions, tigers and rhinos in the zoo. All these animals have 4 legs. You see the picture? All animals, you see, 4 legs. Zebra, 4 legs. Bear, 4 legs. Rhino, 4 legs. Tiger, 4 legs. Elephant, 4 legs. So big animals have 4 legs. See, do you know that the whale is the largest living animal? Yes, largest living animals is whale. This is water animal. Okay. Some animals are small. Most birds, insects and worms are small animals. 4-legged animals like the mouse are small. I tell you no. So mouse is the rat, mouse. So very small. Okay. So memorize this spelling: mouse, pigeon, cockroach. Okay. Birds. Most birds can fly. See, some birds cannot fly. The ostrich and the emu cannot fly. So memorize this: ostrich and the emu cannot fly. They can walk and run. They can walk and run. So parakeet, okay, parakeet, sparrow, crow, crane, hen, duck. Memorize this spelling. Birds have 2 wings. Wings help them to fly. Birds have 2 legs. Legs help them to walk. Some birds like ducks and swans can swim. Yes, ducks and swans can swim. but they also birds. Okay. Next, insect. Insects are small animals. They have 6 legs. Memorize this. Insects are small animals, but they have 6 legs. Okay. Some insects have wings. See? Some insects have wings. Cockroach, butterfly, housefly. Wings help them to fly. Wings help them to fly. Where do animals live? Children, butterfly, housefly, cockroach, grasshopper, mosquito. Memorize this spelling. Okay? Where do animals live? So, some animals live on land. The cow, the horse and the elephant are some animals which live on where? Land. Cow, horse, elephant. Live where? Land. Okay. Name 3 land animals. Okay. Fox, goat, dog. Right here dog. So, there name 3 land animals. Many birds, insects and animals live on trees. Crow, squirrel, monkey also. Okay. Some animals live in water. Some animals live near water. Live in water, near water. So, fish, frog, turtle, crocodile. Okay. So, memorize this. Okay. Let us say it again. There are many kinds of animals. Memorize this. There are many kinds of animals. Some are big and some are small. Birds have wings. Most birds can fly. Insects are small animals. They have 6 legs. Okay? Animals live on land, on trees, in or near water. So, remember this point. Okay? So, children, chapter 3, page 21, 22, 23, 24, practice. Okay, children?